In the past video, I show you the best leagues to predict over 1.5 in this 2024, the best league to predict draw matches in this 2024, and at the same time the best leagues to provide you with direct winning. And then yesterday we put that into action. We selected about 141 odds, and it was really amazing. Even though it is not successful, we actually performed well. Only one game lost. Yes, we gave straight winning and it ended up in draw. Yes, that is the only game that lost. But for other games, it is all successful. Now there is one good league that I've also come across in the space of doing all this. Is this Germany league. Their performance with over 1.5 is very good. Their performance with over 1.5, it's something you can't comprehend. So you can add it to the top leagues in predicting over 1.5 for this season. Okay, yes, you can add it to for this season. Yeah, so congratulations again to all my VIP members. Yes, so if I take you to the VIP group right now, you can see it's all joy everywhere. It is all joy everywhere. So started with me, scrolling down to all my VIP members. Everybody is in profit, as you can see. Everybody is in profit. This guy from USA, everybody is in profit. Everybody is in profit. You can see. Then we have another guy from here, which also the same thing, but we are in profit. If you scroll down here, 9 out of 9, another good predictions, and it is all in profit once again. And if you scroll down, everybody was performing very very well. So somebody said, but I won though. Congrats. Yes, that is one of my VIP members. That is one of my VIP members. So the VIP group is actually performing very well in this August, and it is still open for everyone. Yes, you can now do half or pay for weekly to join the VIP group for 1 week, and then you have enough money to pay for September VIP, because September is going to be on fire. All leagues are back. Yes, all leagues are back, and we have time for enough prediction. So if you check out the yesterday prediction, we drop out 23 odds in the VIP group. Yes, straight up 23 odds in the VIP group, as you can see directly from here. 23 odds, and then we celebrate it. And again, for those of you who joined the live yesterday, we were live earlier as 9 a.m. GMT, and it is going to be the same as today. So for those of you who joined the live, congratulations to you. Those of you who joined the live, congratulations. If I scroll down to the live column here, you can see we were live yesterday, and the title is EPL is back, correct score prediction. Now for those of you who joined, the live, congratulations to you, because we predicted a very good game, and at the end of the day that game actually bomb up. Yes, we predicted 5 good odds in the live prediction, and at the end of the day that match was successful. So probably congratulations to everyone that joined the live. We are going to be live today as well. Exactly 9 a.m. GMT. 9 a.m. empty. So make sure to check the time. I will be predicting on EPL and then Bundesliga games. So make sure to have time and be there. Okay. Yeah. So now let's go back to today's prediction. Okay, this is the VIP group. Let's go back to today's prediction. Now I've added a new what league to the game, so you can pick some very good games from here and then you bet on it. So let's look for some good odds here before we move on. Let's look for some good odds here, and we'll also talk about this strategy in the French League One. Okay, French League One. So this video is going to be about the French League One. All right, so let's go straight to the League One. They have about let's go to the League One. Yeah, so the French League One have about 5 matches today. They have about 5 good matches today to predict on. Okay, 5 good matches to predict on. Now if you scroll down a little bit down to everything right here, you can see how good they are performing. So let's pick up 3 matches here, then we predict game on them. Now you realize these teams are good. Nice one, Nice one, Nice one. So probably everybody is going to predict Nice to win this game. But let's check the market. The market predicted Nice with 2.6 good goal. So to be good, let's go for home or away or draw or away. Good. Then we look for which other one? Montpellier. Yes, this is another great team when it comes to scoring. Look at it, they are always in over 2.5 predictions. So this game, if you wanted to predict based on their past analysis, and you must also check the year, even in this year they were able to play in that manner. So probably we will see over 2.5 goals in this match, over 2.5 goals in this match. So let's go for draw or go, and then okay, I think okay. The next one we go for is Lyon and Rennes. Now let's check their past prediction. You can see Stade Lyon. This game is one side, but they don't play draw. In 2024, they play over 4.5 with away team winning. Good. So to bet on them, it is very easy to win bets with them based on their past life. Yes. So just go for that. All right. So these are the 3 picks, and it will give you a 3 good odds. So you can go and bet on these 3 matches. Okay, from French League One. From French League One. Now the other thing I would like to show you is from this app called the Bet. I don't know why it is freaky doing this on my phone, but let me go back to Play Store. All right, so let me search the app name right here. So this is okay, this is not what I'm looking for. Okay. every every fucking phone is now updating and operating like iPhone. All right, so this is the app that I'm talking about. This app, a lot of people have been complaining how good it is. I'll be making a full video on it, I'll be making a full video on it. Yes, I'll be making a full video on it. Now if you go to their VIP column right here, load up. Go to the VIP column. Let's see. I don't know why the free version didn't update, and also the VIP column is still fucking up. Yes, so I don't know what might be the problem. Okay, it has now updated, and the correct score as well. So if I click on the correct score, you can see monthly I need to pay 1,700, 2,650, 3,000 plus for monthly subscription, right? 1,700 for monthly subscription. In case you don't know how much is that in dollar conversion rate, let me show you that. No, an ACD to dollar. So 1700. Sorry, go back. So that is approximately $110 per month, right? $110 per month. Now, the question you'll be asking yourself is, how good is this app? If I click on old right here, I was not able to see even their old prediction. Just to see their old prediction, I was not allowed to see it. Well, I am not against that. So if you click here, see the correct score result of their previous matches. So yesterday was 17th, right? So they predicted this. There is even a game that they don't put over here because they predicted correct score on Arsenal and it was successful as well. But they didn't put Arsenal over here. What I mean is they won more than what they put over here. And I can give you evidence of their yesterday prediction that this app actually win these games, but they predicted more than this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With 6 good predictions, I'm okay with it. You can add Arsenal 2-0 to it because they predicted Arsenal 2-0 or 3-0, which also ended up successful. Now let me show you the result of these games that you are seeing over here. If I go to my VIP group right here, if I go to my VIP group right here and I scroll up a little bit, here we go. Look at it. I posted it, posted by you. Now we'll wait for it. So this was the previous day, that was 16th, right? So if you go to 17th, you can see this was Arsenal. They predicted Arsenal to win 2-0 or 3-0. Now you see the Plymouth prediction. This is it. They predicted it, single correct score, ended successful. Now let it scroll up for you to see the other good predictions. Now which other prediction was successful right there? The La Liga, go slow, Valencia, Barcelona. All right, so let your eye be on those two predictions. Let's forward the video. So EBA, so you take a look at their prediction. So go slow, here is it 2-0 or 3-0 with multi-score. Paok, Lisbon, La Liga for Osasuna, and now Osasuna versus Leganes, AZ Akuma. So you see, their prediction is more than 8, right? Their prediction is around, they predicted 11 correct score yesterday. And out of that 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, they did not add Arsenal over here. I don't know why. Sorry, guys. I don't know why they did not add Arsenal here as a winning coupon, because Arsenal won the game as well yesterday. Yeah, so you see how this is how their performance is. They played 11 matches yesterday, and 7 good correct score was successful. So this app is now available, and for me, I'm a kind who doesn't hide anything. Someone from Nigeria actually paid me to mod this app for him, but their phone version is not opening the game. So you realize when I downloaded the app at first, it was not opening before I refresh before it comes up. So the same thing happened to the person, and then the person started insulting me, threatening me that if I didn't send back his money, blah blah blah. That thing almost turned me off, because once you started rapping about me, the only thing I do is to ignore your message, and I know the person who actually watch this video. So if you watch this video now, it is your own mouth that puts you into trouble. That's all I have for you guys today. See you all in my next video. And to join the VIP group, the link is still in the video description. Click on it and it will take you directly to my bio. See you all in my next video.